協平世博集團係加拿大最大嘅社區發展商，喺過去25年嚟興建2個全加國最大規模嘅住宅計劃，令溫哥華同多倫多呢2個大都會更添姿彩。協平世博即將再次打造另一個頂級社區，今次就會移師到充滿動感嘅列治文。
Really hoping to do another master plan community that the world talks about. Feeling that we can bring the same design concepts to Richmond. So in this case, what we have is roughly 8 towers, and it's revolving around a large community park-like concept.
發展頂級社區當然要有最佳選址啦。新計劃位於中心地段，連接捷運同主要幹道，所有重點設施都喺附近，但係繁華當中又不失寧靜，為住客提供一個旺中帶靜嘅安樂窩。呢個係卓越嘅規劃理念，亦配合好風水嘅原則。
A very valuable pieces of land, which I don't think you can find in Richmond in the next 50 to 100 years. In between number 3, Westminster Garden City is the pearl, because the connection from the air, water, and the road.
優雅嘅建築同豪華嘅裝潢，加上精心設計嘅景觀，令呢個地標性嘅社區顯得別具一格。佢嘅中央公園將會令列治文生色不少。喺翠綠樹木、一片寧靜嘅花園入邊，以別致嘅人工湖同流水點住襯托，有利催財納福。
Landscape is a very unique part of the story of what this development is about. Landscape speaks to the regional context of what it means to be a part of Richmond. It speaks to the intimacy of this place as a neighborhood and as a community. And it's also important that landscape helps to define this and distinguish this as a unique sense of place.
We could not find any similar kind of landscaping design in my last 25 years.
超過1200個豪華住宅單位，25000尺超級會所同康樂設施，佔地68000尺嘅公園，同埋一個最好嘅地理位置。呢個就係列治文最矚目、最精心打造嘅全新社區 Concord Gardens。